Kasa smart light switch. Neutral wire is required, standard wall plate size. No need to understand complex switch wiring, or master versus auxiliary switch configurations. The Kasa app guides you through easy step-by-step installation. Control from anywhere, monitor your light status. Turn electronics on and off from anywhere, with your smartphone using the Kasa app, whether you are at home, in the office or on vacation. If you want to know more about this item, you can follow video description. Lutron Caseta Smart Home Switch. Set lights to automatically adjust with seasons so your family always comes back to a well-lit home. Enable smart away to randomly turn your lights on off to look like your home even if you're away. Caseta connects with more leading smart home devices, including Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, Ring, Sirena Shades and Sonos, than any other smart lighting control brand. Gosund Smart Dimmer Switch. Adjust the desired brightness speed via phone app, voice control, or manually via the LED touch panel. Brightness memory function is available for the last light setting when powered off. Supports up to 150W dimmable LED CFL or 400W incandescent bulbs, and 100 watts ceiling fans. Smart bulb can't be dimmed by the smart dimmer switch. Toggle style smart switch. The C/GE smart light switch allows you to control your lights through touch, C/GE mobile app, or voice assistant. With Google Home or Alexa, light switches from C/GE make light control easy. Get convenience and comfort with your smart bulbs and light switch always being ready to respond. With enhanced functionality like out-of-home control and scheduling, you will never come home to a dark house. Lutron Skylark LED dimmer switch. Provides over 250 lighting levels, so you can create the perfect light for any activity. Works with up to 150 watts of dimmable LED CFL bulbs or 600 watts of incandescent halogen bulbs. Lutron patented technology to optimize the dim range of your bulbs and prevent interference with other dimmers in the home. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more, check video description below. To watch more of our videos, subscribe and click bell buttons.